Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol QS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to say it the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But very impressive move on this one today when you stop thinking about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down here, and then it was able to close all the way up there. Don't get me wrong, there's still work that needs to be done. But point here being, good solid move, and that does bring about the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $44. Why is 44 so important? And I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to 44, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? That would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart where it just wasn't. I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But to be fair, no price can just go straight up either. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. And if you envision each one of those as stair-steps, well, now all of a sudden, you have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do, is it's going to make progress. And in this situation, quote-unquote, progress being defined as $44. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, first key battleground to watch closely going to be right there at the 47.15 mark. And then after 47.15, from more of an overarching standpoint, you'll want to watch that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average. Currently valued at the 53.50-ish mark, but remember that is a moving average, so that value is going to, drop as time goes by because the angle of that line is currently pointing in the downwards direction. But overall, very nice bounce today. Now it's just a question of can the price build upon this bounce moving forward? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.